Hi guys, we're going to be making a potato raita today. For this recipe, you will need yogurt. We're going to be using fresh homemade yogurt here, sour cream, 2 to 3 small boiled and peeled potatoes, 1/4 of a small onion chopped, 1/4 of a tomato chopped, 1 to 2 chilies, and a handful of cilantro. For the dry spices, we're going to use salt to taste, coriander powder, and roasted cumin powder. We're going to start by putting a heaping spoonful of sour cream, which is roughly 1/4 a cup, into the bowl and stirring it until it gets smooth. To this, we've added 3/4 a cup of yogurt and we'll continue to whisk it until it has a nice and silky consistency. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables. We've added half a tablespoon of roasted cumin powder and half a tablespoon of coriander powder. We're adding about 1/4 a tablespoon of salt, but you can put as much as you like. Mix in the spices well and add in the potatoes and cilantro. If you feel that your yogurt's a bit thick, you can add in a splash or two of milk to help thin it out. And there you have it, a quick and easy raita recipe that goes great with parantas and many sabzis. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. We'll have many more delicious recipes to come.